Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and maybe we are on the edge of losing one feature that worked for a long time, even though it's not supposed to. Now, if you are one of those that did this, you know that you could use a Windows 7 product key, a retail product key, and you could apply it to Windows 10 and even Windows 11, and it would activate your copy of Windows without having to purchase any new keys. And that was to stop in 2016. It was supposed to be good for 1 year, but it continued working, and Microsoft didn't do anything about it. So, that loophole just continued, and it was fine. But the latest insider builds, and it would seem that Microsoft has changed the wording for the product key page a little bit, would indicate that all of you that still have Windows 7 keys lying around, that would possibly mean that you can't upgrade anymore from a Windows 7 product key. If you have a new machine, if you have anything that you want to install Windows 10 or 11 on that wasn't already activated, it seems that that loophole is closing. So this is interesting. Some people say that in the insider previews, the keys don't work anymore. It not totally clear, but it seems that it might still be working on the official version. But if it's in the insider rings, it might be a loophole that's closing. So, because Microsoft has nothing clear about it, I would have to test it out here. And I don't have any more product keys for Windows 7. I've pretty much used all of them. So I can't really test anymore. But if you do have a Windows 7 product key, was thinking of upgrading to Windows 10 or something, or maybe even Windows 11, well, I think it's time to analyze and maybe either do it real quickly because it might still be working as I'm making this video, but that loophole might be gone within just a few weeks now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.